Hi, this is A60 and this is today 18, 2024. Today is Thursday and I'm gonna recap what happened in EU. And there is no trades today, which is a spoiler. Okay, let's start from the daily. The daily is actually, the swing structure is bearish and the internal is still bullish. Fractal is also still bullish. So what I'm expecting is since there is a series of supply chain, which means this is a low resistance liquidity. So and there is no possible supply from which the price can reverse from and take out the weak swing low. So what I'm expecting is price can either make a breakout structure on the upside, or it can liquidate the strong high and then it can come down. So that was the bigger that the big picture idea. The immediate picture is that I was looking to follow the bullish order flow. So here is the last demand. So I was expecting the price to come down to mitigate this demand and then push up to take out the strong high. So swing is bearish, internal is bearish, fractal is bullish. So, internal is bullish, fractal is also bullish. Took a loss expecting the price to come down to mitigate this demand below. Actually, yeah, I expected this demand to be mitigated, taking out this liquidity yesterday, and I took a loss. This is a clear indication that euro is gaining more power over USD. Thus, I'm expecting the price to mitigate at least the daily demand before taking out the daily strong swing high. So I'm going to play the same exact uh, play that I played yesterday. That price was actually here, and the price was actually here. I was expecting the price to come and take this liquidity to fill this imbalance and obviously tap into this demand before going up. But price didn't do anything and it invalidated my trade. It gave a false signal and took my stops. So I'm going to do the same thing again and hope it plays out today also. It doesn't stop me today also. This is one more point. There is no significant supply from which the price can start the run to external leg. Thus, I'm expecting the price to take out these low resistance liquidity and make a bullish pause. This is what I mentioned here when I was talking about this. This is the 4-hour chart, and the 4-hour is actually bullish, and the internal is also bullish. This is now the current strong internal low. Now we can, since the price took the internal high, made an internal boss, we can expect the internal pullback. So this is the internal range. So we can expect the pullback at least to be equilibrium. So swing is bullish, internal is bullish. With no daily supply to react from, I'm expecting this 4S order flow to continue. Thus, I'm looking to play the 4S internal pullback. So today, most probably price can come down and then go up. So what I'm expecting today is price can come down. So that's the keyword. To come down, that is shorts. So I'm looking to play the shorts. I can't directly enter here, place the stops. No, that's not my idea. I look into the lower time frames, see some sweep zones or POIs which can be mitigated after raiding some liquidity. So once that is done, I'll enter into my execution time frame, that is M15. Look for entry models and then enter. So this is H1. Swing structure is bullish. Internal is not yet formed actually. You can see this is just a weak structure, so internal is not yet formed. So this is a swing range of H1. You can see, and now if I mark these annotations, it will be very clear for you. Price took this buy side liquidity and pushed down, made a bearish stock. So sweep of liquidity, change in market structure, which means this is an order block, and actually price has mitigated this order block, gave a reaction, but since there is Asian eyes and this week is not being mitigated, so I was expecting the price to take out the Asian eyes, mitigate this supply, and then I'll jump into M15 to look for entry models to enter shorts to target this liquidity, which is the 4 hour sell side liquidity. So my intention was very clear to target the buy side liquidity and you know follow the distribution that is going to take out the sell side liquidity. So very clear, and I also found out a good POI that can help me to facilitate my trade. The swing is bullish, internal is also bullish. Price is currently ranging after taking out the swing high. Price can come down to make a swing pullback at least to this 4-hour sell side liquidity, which which would also fill some 4-hour FVG. Finally, I'm expecting the price to mitigate this supply with bearish SMT sweeping the Asian highs to fuel the move down. So I'm going to consider the Asian highs as the sole buy side liquidity. but I think the price had enough fuel within itself so that it didn't stop these Asian highs. So it started to go down. So this is at 10 a.m. GMT. There was nothing from the London session. Price just consolidated after taking the Asian lows. Thus, I was waiting for the New York to produce something. Yeah, actually, New York produced something, but what I did not expect. So it just took out this liquidity, this buy side liquidity, and then pushed down. So this becomes my order block then. So what I'll obviously do, will wait for. So this is phase C. Phase C has started. So these order blocks will be invalidated. So what I thought, okay, let the price come to this POI. I can look for M15 entry models and then enter playing the phase C shots, which is also medium probability. But session ended without tapping into this POI. So there is no trades today. That's why there is no trades today. So very simple. So patience is the key. So yeah, I expected if the price took the Asian highs and mitigated that POI, it would have been a great deal or great deal for me. I would have been in a rush of blood, and my emotions would have pushed me to take trades, look for setups. But since it did not happen, my mind is calm, and once there was the internal boss, internal boss, it happened at around 2:45. So I was not in a panic mode. So I know that there is not going to be trade today. So I just left the market to play whatever it wanted. So that's it from today. No trades today. So see you tomorrow on day 61. Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye.